Hello, my pixie family. Hello, my pretty pixie girls. Welcome back to Dunce Pixie. All right, where I am going to show you how I went from this to that. Okay. Oh my gosh. Welcome back. Welcome back. If you are new to my channel, I am so blessed, so thankful that you are here with me. All right, y'all. So I have an event to attend, and this is what I woke up to. Okay, this is what I woke up to. Oh my goodness. I'm telling y'all, when you have a pixie, okay, I'm gonna be honest, okay, and maybe no other content creators will let you know this, but a pixie is only good. It to me, I might be wrong, but to me, that's my opinion. It only looks good when you just got it done. Okay, when you just got it done, and it's like you have to basically maintain it all the time. Like if you go to sleep, you wake up, this is what you wake up to. Yes, I need to stretch because I'm about to go in, y'all. I'm about to go into the battlefield. So for you, my lovely pretty girls, pretty ladies out there, okay, if you want to have a pixie, dude, that's perfectly fine, but be ready now. Just know that you're gonna have to invest in a few hats, okay, a few hats, because you cannot just get up and just brush your hair and go. No, you have to really take your time and do it. All right, y'all. So here, I just washed the hair. Okay. So my pixie cut, it's a long bang pixie. Okay. As you guys can see, as you guys can tell, my bangs are long, and that's because I have a 7 heads, and my pixie just fall down like my head, my forehead. I have room for a long bang pixie. Okay, y'all. So the hair just falls, just lay nicely on my forehead. Okay. So to anybody out there listening to my voice, if you consider your head like Rihanna's, like mine, get yourself a long bang pixie. Okay. Trust me, I look so good with it, and you will too. But here, this is the most hardest part for me. Okay, this is the part where I have to really pay attention to, and this is the part that really creates your pixie. It's called molding. Okay, it's basically putting the foam on after the hair is wet. Okay, it's washed and conditioned, putting the foam on and just kind of molding the hair, especially your sides. Okay, just kind of to give it your special little imprint. Okay, your special little zing, I like to call it. All right. So that's always like, the challenging part for me, to kind of make sure that I have it the way I feel like that day. And of course, after you mold the hair, you need to wrap it. Yes, y'all. I think I use about 3. This is also a new process to me, y'all. So my pixie family, as you guys know, I am new to this pixie world. Okay, I am brand new. So we are going to learn together. And as I've told you, I want to help you so that you don't have to pay hundreds of dollars, at the hair salon. You can come here, watch my videos, and get some ideas on how to do your pixie. Okay? So I'm just, trying to tie it to the best of my ability. All right. And then after that, we are going to go under the hair dryer. Now, can I also say that I am so proud of all of the girls out there who have the boldness, okay, the boldness to put down the wig and went and cut off their hair and did this pixie. Okay, because I just enjoy watching you all videos. Okay, so I you will see me comment on your video, you will see me liking your videos. Okay, so to all of my other pixie content creators, I support you, girl, I support you. Okay, so that here you go, guys, here you go. So after I did my hair and after I blew dry my hair and I put on my makeup, all right. Now what you're watching here is that the front of my hair is not thoroughly dry, so I have to use a blow dryer. Okay, And usually that's what I have to do. Like, I don't know, give me some tips, guys. Give me some tips. If you have a long pixie, like if your bang is long, let me know how should I do it so that I don't have to go back and manually blow dry my hair. You know what I mean? So I could just, so that the front will, like, how should I comb my hair or how should I brush it when I go under the dryer so that I don't have to use the blow dryer again afterwards? Tell me. Okay, so right here, what you're looking at, my hair is dry, okay? And this is just some oil sheen, okay? I'm just putting on the sides just to give it some shine, okay? Some shine to the texture, all right? So I use just a little bit. I spray it on my hand and then I use it on my hair. As you guys know, I like my hair to feel light and fluffy. I do not like, it when it weighs down. When it does, it's no good. All right, my beautiful pixie ladies. This process right here, I must say, it's my favorite process, okay? I really enjoy curling my hair and just waiting to see how it's going to turn out. Now, I think I may need to get a smaller curling iron because this is the curling iron that I used to, do my hair when I had my wigs. And, my wigs were a lot longer, than my hair is. So I'm going to try to invest in a smaller curling iron to see if there's much of a difference, okay? But like I said, I really enjoy curling the hair. The hair is nice, clean, fluffy. It's bouncy. It has a lot of body to it, okay? So just kind of, doing my hair, curling it. Now, I want to have like a mohawk. Okay, that was kind of like the look that I was going for. So that's why I'm trying to keep everything in the center. All right. And of course, the little back piece, the back of my head is always a challenging for me. It's very challenging. So I have to use my other mirror. But not only that, but it's like, I don't know if I should make it come to the front or to the back, But for now, I decided to bring everything to the front. Yeah, so everything just kind of falls really nicely in the middle. Just take your time with it, just take your time with curling it. Usually also, ladies, my hair surprises me. I have to say, my hair surprises me. Like, I don't really know how it's going to turn out most of the time until it's completely done. Like, who else out there? Like, who else has a pixie cut and when you're styling it, you're not exactly sure how it's going to come out, but it just does. And this is my favorite part too. Just kind of, ooh, yes, combing it through. Yes, look how bouncy it is, y'all. I love it. Look how bouncy it is. So right here, my little mohawk did not quite occur. So you're going to see me just kind of play around with it, okay? Just play around with it. And like I said, I have plenty of forehead, okay? So my bang just falls nicely onto the forehead. Look at the side, y'all. Like, it's just sassy, I like it. It's short and sassy, short and fresh, right? Just short and like, here I am. Look at me. Yes, like when she walks in the room, she's gonna be noticed, right? Like, look at that hairdo. It's so different, so unique. Yeah, so look at my mohawk. It came out to be pretty good. Yay. So here I am, guys, with my outfit on, okay, with my jacket. Like I said, I have this business event to go to. And as I mentioned to you guys in my previous videos, I am learning on how to use earrings. Well, not to use but how to, like, I am basically going back to wearing earrings because when I had my wig on, my wigs would just cover my ears. So I didn't really have to wear earrings. But as you all know, with a pixie, you need to have earrings on. So let me know, guys, if you have any good websites that you buy your earrings from, okay? Let me know. Drop it so I could go check out and get some earrings too. But yes, this is my outfit, y'all. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think about this look. God got me. All right, God got me. That's right. You know, green is my favorite color. I like green. I like yellow. All right. I like pink. I like purple. Okay, those are my four favorite colors. So it says, God got me. Okay, yes. And here she is, y'all. Yeah, she is feeling herself. Tell me what you think. Did I do good? Look where we started. Look where we started. Oh my God. And look how far we came. As always, my beautiful people, I love you with the love of Jesus Christ. Please like, subscribe, share this video, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, my beautiful pixie ladies, my pretty pixie. Yeah, she is in the car, just feeling herself. Mwah.